So in this workflow, we're going to show you how to check for coupon code abuse. This is actually a two-parter. So the first part, you just want to trigger off of order created and then save the order information into the data by Mesa data store. Here's what that looks like. Now here I'm running a query to group by day. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the total price spend on the order total, and then we're going to also look at the total discounts on that day. And so then what that allows us to do is to query on that, and then we're going to do a chat GPT. We just got the GPT-4 API access. And here's the prompt. So here's a JSON result showing order totals by day, including discount amounts. Is the discount rate in the most recent day higher than usual? Just answer yes or no. And so when we run that, here it is. When we run that, we're going to see that the answer is going to be no when it runs against this regular query, because the most recent day, the discount amount is 0. But then I jerry-rigged a separate trigger to test against this query, which purposely has the most recent day has a higher than usual percentage of discounts. And here is the one that's looking at that query. And when you run that test, you can see that the result is yes, and then you can trigger an email off to yourself to figure out what to do with that.